there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We're in a 1 Series BMW, 3 Series is the same, and we are wanting to take out the heater control unit. We've taken off the panel on the outside. How do we take that off? So there's just clips, I'll show you on the back here, like here and down there, these clips. So we can just get under that and lever that straight out. You can see from all the clips that it comes straight out. And then for this one, you can't use your panel removal tools, they're a bit too flexible. You need to get a screwdriver between this point here and that point there. You want to get in there. There we go. And then lever it or pull it forward. There, beautiful. And the other side. But take special note of what stays behind. There's a metal clip on the side there, you see that, which goes into there. But all of this assembly and that little bar out the side stays beside, then it'll pop out. Then there's just 2 clips over the back. They've got little levers which lever over like that and like that. And good old BMW, you've got different clips, so you can't plug them in the wrong side when you put them back. Swing the lever. That's it. Well done.